sharp chips flying, sawdust whispers, sunshine. Got a block of wood, naughty and rough. Gonna carve some magic, that's enough. See the grain swirl and twist. Where's the fox? I can't resist the urge to find the shape within, chipping away. Where do I begin? Doubt creeps in, a